Being able to smile confidently is the best feeling in the world. Having to hide your teeth because they're stained or yellow, that's not a good way to live. Everyone notices your smile, even you. I'm sure you notice other people's smile. So why not do everything you can to improve your smile so you can talk, smile, and laugh with confidence that your teeth are gonna look amazing. To get a nice white smile, here is what you do. First step, get some whitening strips. Whitening strips have had the best results for me and everyone else. It's such an easy option that you can do right at home. It's basically a gel that's pressed against your teeth long enough to give them a white glow. And you can pick up whitening strips at any drugstore or online. And I put it on before important trips or events, or if I just feel like my teeth are getting a little bit stained. I put them on sometimes at home, in the car when I'm driving somewhere. It doesn't really matter. Leave them on for about an hour or two and that's it. It's super easy, it's affordable. Step 2, your diet. Something that a lot of people don't know is that there are foods that stain your teeth, making your teeth look darker. I know there's a lot of coffee lovers out there, but this is one of the worst things for your teeth. So if your teeth are stained, maybe slow down on the coffee a little bit. Also, other amazing drinks, unfortunately, like wine, soda, and pretty much anything carbonated is gonna definitely stain your pearly whites. Smoking too many cigarettes will destroy your teeth. Be careful here. If you're still smoking cigarettes, it's time to let go. Find a way to get over the bad habits so that you can not only have a nice smile, but be healthier, have more energy, and live longer. Step 3, whitening mouthwash. Whitening mouthwash reduces gum disease, helps fight plaque, freshens your breath, and it whitens your teeth. It's like magic. Try to use mouthwash twice a day for about 30 to 60 seconds and just move the liquid around your teeth. Try to get as many little areas as possible to remove all of those stains. Step 4, use whitening toothpaste. You should be brushing your teeth at least 2 to 3 times a day for about 2 minutes each time. That's gonna make sure that you're removing all of the buildup. And if you're using whitening toothpaste, then 2 minutes is just enough time to have that whitening effect on your teeth. So basically, if you use whitening toothpaste, whitening mouthwash, and the strips, your teeth will be nice and white in a matter of a few weeks. You're gonna go from yellow stained teeth to awesome pearly whites just by changing these little habits and products. It's actually super easy. And if you learned something from this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you again very soon.